Today I'm going to show you how to change a flat tire. Our Jeep's back tire, it's got a screw in it, so it's going flat. So we're going to change that tire out with the full-size spare that we got here. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So you're going to need your jack. You're going to need your tire tool, tire iron. Should come with your car, truck, whatever you got. And then the attachments. It's got several attachments, make it longer, shorter, easier to work with. But we'll start out with the scissor jack. So one of your pieces of your jack should have a little hook. Goes into the scissor jack part. Hooks in so that you can twist it up and down. Now into that of the hook part should be a place to put your tire iron. Comes with a little square, circle, oval, hexagon, who knows what shape it'll be. But the idea is that you can put your tire iron and then you can crank up or down your scissor jack. Not ideal for the side of the road, but sledgehammer to break it loose. You don't want to take them off. You just want them loosened. Good God. I get him on that tire. Feet work good. Gonna put straight even pressure. Pop them loose. So once you have your tire, the lug nuts loose, then go ahead and lift your car up. Use your tool with the little hook on it. Put your tire iron on. Hook it into your jack stand. Same principle. Okay, so we've got the car jacked up. You can see that the tire is now off the ground. So now the lug nuts you loosened up earlier, you can take them the rest of the way off now, because now the tire's not going to spin. a lot easier if you have a tire iron that you can have on the whole time that doesn't hit the ground. That way you can just spin it off. Yeah. This one will work. The other ones were hitting the ground. Take them off by hand. Should get it all the way off, it'd be a lot easier. And yeah. Don't lose your lug nuts. And the tire should come off now. I got one left on there. It's just stuck on there a little bit. Alright, so this one, like I said, right there, ran over a screw, or a nail, like a screw, drove it into the tire, now the tire's flat. But my Jeep comes with a full-size spare tire, so I just got to lift it up and stick it on here. So your lug nut hold back up your lug nuts or bolts with your tire. And you start your bolts back on. Kind of do a star pattern. 1, 2, crisscross them. That way they tighten down level. Once you get them started on there and they get a good bite, you can tighten them down a bit. Then you want to lower your car down to finish tightening them. Oh, I guess the front tire you usually have to lower down. I got the emergency brake set. So right now these tires aren't going to spin too far. You probably tighten them down pretty good. But yeah, the front tires, you want to get them started on and snugged up real good. And then lower the front of the car down so it just touches the ground. Yeah, see, these are still going to spin because the emergency brake's on, but it doesn't stop the tire completely. But once it's on the ground, you can really tighten these lug nuts back up. The biggest thing is just making sure everything's squared back up. Give them a good little tension tug here. Okay, So I'm going to lower it down and let it touch the ground, and then tighten these up real good. On the ground there. Okay, so these are tightened up onto the tire. Go ahead and let the car all the way down. Take the jack out. Alright, so now, so the jack's out, car's on the ground, tire gauge. So I'm only got 14 pounds of pressure on these. Inside your driver's door, you should have a sticker, tires on it, and it'll tell you how much pressure you need per tire. So the front on this is 33 psi, then the rear is 33 psi, and the spare is 33 psi. So I've only got about 18 psi in this tire right now. So I'll get my air compressor and pump it up to 33. Yeah, I guess it's about 13 psi in it. If you're taking a long trip or whatever, check your spare tire, make sure it's got air in it before you leave. I'm right here at the house, so it's not a big deal. Alright, 22, 30. There you go. Tire pressure gauge, you get them about anywhere, sells in Walmart and everybody, or AutoZone Advance. So on the bottom is the gauge. You put this tip on the valve stem, covered by the little covers. the valve stem comes out, and you put the tip of this on that. Just push it in until it lets the air out. See? So this came out to 30, right at 32 psi. So I really need 33, so I need 1 more pound of pressure. All right, test it again. Oh, see, look at that. It came out to 36. Oh, so now what do I do? On the back of your, so there's where the air goes in and moves the gauge. On the back's a little nub. Do the same thing, you stick that little nub into the valve stem and it lets the air out of the tire. So you let a little bit of air out until you get it where you need it. 31, 2, 33 psi. Those tires filled up, then you put your valve stem cover back on. Now, if you are on the side of the road and you do have Fix-A-Flat or whatever, read the directions on the can. Fill your tire up. Get air in it as soon as you can. If it doesn't fill it all the way up, don't drive it flat. This is all on the back of the Fix-A-Flat can. And it's only good for about 50 miles. Maybe a little more than that, but you can't drive forever on Fix-A-Flat. You got to take your car in and get it fixed. Get your new tire on. If you're using a donut, same thing with donuts. They're not to drive forever. Donuts are to get you in an emergency to where you can get your tire fixed or get you a new tire. Don't drive on donuts forever. I think they're only rated for about 100 miles too. So get your tires fixed. Don't drive on Fix-A-Flat or on a spare. I hope this helps. Have a great day. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Once you get your tire back on and you get a new tire, if you get a new tire, they should torque it down to the proper torque so your tire stays on. If you put on your tire and it's a full-size tire or whatever, and once you get your tire on, take it to a tire dealer, Walmart or Firestone or somebody, and tell them, yeah, you had to change your tire because you had a spare or whatever, and you want to check and make sure that the proper torque is onto the lug nuts so that they don't fall off. Or if you have a torque wrench, you could use that at your house. But yeah, make sure you get them torqued properly so that they don't fall off.